Spray this on your winter hat, and your problem will disappear for good. I always carry it in my bag during winter. Static hair is a common issue, especially in the colder months. Wearing a hat combined with dry air makes the situation even more frustrating. The level of hair static depends on its structure, weather conditions, and the materials in our clothing. After removing your hat, your hair stands on end and flies in every direction. A good solution to reduce static is to use an anti-static spray. You can buy one in stores or make it at home in just a few minutes. Take a clean spray bottle, fill it about 3/4 full with distilled water, which acts as the base of the mixture. Then, add vinegar to fill the remaining space, as it has anti-static properties and helps balance pH. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin helps keep hair less dry and less prone to building up static, effectively reducing the problem. Shake well before use, then spray your hat. Your hair will stop electrifying, and you can enjoy the winter weather without worrying about your hairstyle. Gray hair will disappear. This homemade recipe is truly simple. It takes just a few minutes to prepare a solution for treating gray hair, whether it's roots or gray strands at the temples. This mixture works 100%. Start by preparing a red onion. Cut it in half and finely grate it. Place a strainer over a second bowl and transfer the grated onion to it, pressing to extract the juice. Onion juice contains the enzyme catalase, which, when used regularly, prevents hair from turning gray. Next, add lemon to the onion juice. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bowl with the onion juice. Lemon strengthens the hair. Now, take a tablespoon and squeeze some toothpaste onto it. Mix the toothpaste thoroughly with the onion and lemon juice until well blended. Apply this mixture to your scalp and all over your hair. Leave it on for about an hour. Then, rinse your hair with water and wash it as usual with shampoo. Regular use of this onion-based mixture guarantees the elimination of gray hair regardless of age. Your baseball caps will look like new without needing to wash them in the dishwasher. Sweat stains and other dirt will disappear without distorting the brim. Here's how. First, mix 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid with 100 milliliters of vinegar in a jug and stir well. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto the caps, focusing on the stained areas, and let it sit for a few minutes. Next, use an old toothbrush to gently scrub the caps. For any yellow sweat stains, apply a tablespoon of baking soda. Wait 5 minutes, and then scrub again. Prepare a bowl of hot water and soak the caps for a few minutes. Replace the water with clean water and add a tablespoon of laundry detergent. Let the caps sit for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with fresh water. Your caps will be clean, fresh, and ready to wear, with the brim intact. Some people believe caps can be safely washed on the top rack of a dishwasher. However, the lack of control over water temperature and heat can damage older caps with cardboard brims, unlike those with plastic ones. Dishwasher detergents often contain stronger chemicals that can harm caps. If you choose this method, place the cap on an inverted bowl to maintain its shape.
Apply cloves to your hands and see what happens. You won't recognize your own hands. Take a large handful of cloves and grind them using a blender or coffee grinder. Put the crushed cloves in a pot and pour 200 milliliters of water over them. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and turn on the stove. Heat the mixture, but you don't have to boil it. Thanks to the tannin content, cloves can slow down the aging process of the skin. They have antioxidant properties that block the development of free radicals. Coconut oil has similar properties. Cloves are effective in fighting fungi and have a strong anti-inflammatory effect. The skin, thanks to cloves, can become smoother, radiant, and free of discoloration. When the mixture is heated, strain it into a container and let it cool. Pour it into a spray bottle. Clove oil reduces irritation and helps maintain a healthy appearance of the skin. When applied to hands, face, or other areas of the skin, it also protects against insects. Taking care of our skin, we simultaneously protect it from ticks, mosquitoes, fleas, or spiders. Just spray the skin on your hands and massage it in. Apply to hands, face, and skin. Using this mixture relaxes and soothes muscle tension. It reduces stress. Additionally, the essential oils in cloves have pain-relieving effects, including relief from migraines and lowering blood pressure. When I run out of my clove and coconut oil bottle, I immediately prepare another one. Everyone asks about the secret of my skin.
Rosemary and aloe are a remedy for hair loss. Your hair will grow like never before. This method also helps with gray hair. Your hair will stop falling out and will grow quickly. Many people have seen their gray hair disappear thanks to this mixture. It strengthens the hair, eliminates dandruff, and darkens gray hair. You will need a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. Put the leaves in a bowl. Rosemary stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, which supports hair growth. Additionally, its antibacterial properties help maintain a healthy scalp and prevent dandruff. Next, take 2 aloe leaves. Peel the aloe leaves as shown in the video. Do the same with the second leaf. Scrape all the gel-like consistency of the aloe into the bowl. Aloe acts as a natural conditioner for hair. It moisturizes dry hair in the scalp, soothes scalp irritations, and promotes hair growth thanks to its nutrient content. Mix these 2 ingredients and put them in a blender. Blend for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain the contents of the blender into a bowl. Add a teaspoon of natural shampoo and mix well. Pour your new shampoo into a pump bottle for easier application. Wash your hair with this shampoo regularly, once a week, and I guarantee great results. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes.